Ready to improve and learn new skills? Hi, and welcome to our channel, the Upskill Geek. Our videos give you the skills you need to succeed, to make yourself more employable, to become a better remote worker, and even make your existing skills more extra. We have lots of great tutorials and useful content for you. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support our channel. It encourages us to keep making these videos. In this video, we'll have a look at the ribbon in Microsoft Word 365. Let's have a look at the Word interface. At the top, we have what is known as the ribbon. On the ribbon, we have several tabs, for example, Home, Insert, and Design. The ribbon changes when we select the tabs at the top. Each tab has a collection of groups associated with that tab. For example, the Design tab has the Document Formatting group and the Page Background group. Each of these groups contains features used to carry out a function in Word. So, on the Home tab in the Font group, we have all the features in Word that are used for formatting. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the ribbon. It is also important to note that some groups have a small diagonal arrow in the lower right-hand corner. This arrow is called the dialog box launcher. This arrow means there are more features and options in this group. Clicking it will bring up those extra features and options in a floating window like this. We can move this window around by clicking, holding, and dragging the mouse. Hiding the ribbon. You can hide the ribbon in one of two ways. The first is by clicking the collapse arrow in the far right-hand corner of the ribbon on any tab. To bring the menu back, double-click on any of the tabs. The second way is you can click the ribbon Display Options button at the top right-hand corner and select any one of the display options. Show Tabs and Commands is our current display. Clicking Show Tabs shows just the tabs, and Auto Hide Ribbon hides the ribbon. I'll unhide the ribbon so it's visible for the rest of the tutorial. At the top right-hand corner, I can access my Microsoft account where I can update my information, sign out or sign in with a different account. That brings us to an end to this tutorial. If you are interested in learning more about Microsoft Word, have a look at the other tutorials on our channel. We have lots of tutorials where we take a more in-depth look into Microsoft Word features. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.